Hi there! Welcome back to my channel, Unbiased Recipe. Today we are going to make this super tasty cilantro chimichurri with tilapia. Okay, let's start with chimichurri. 2 tablespoons of hot water and a teaspoon of dried oregano. Stir it around and let it sit for 5 minutes. This will bring up the flavor of oregano. While we are waiting, let's roast some fresh cilantro and chop them. We are going to need about a quarter cup of finely chopped cilantro for this chimichurri. That's done. Let's combine with the oregano. And we need about a quarter cup of finely chopped parsley. Roll the parsley up and let's chop them. Okay, that's about a half cup. Let's put it into the bowl. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, some minced garlic, salt, and a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. Whisk it together so everything can combine. If you want a little spicy kick, add a little bit of a red pepper flake. Okay, let's move on to our fish, tilapia. Pat dry each fillet with a paper towel. Season the fish with kosher salt, both front and back. And season it with black pepper as well. Then cut each fillet in half lengthwise and you will get 1 thick half and 1 thin half. We'll cook thicker pieces together first, then thinner ones later. Heat cooking oil over high heat until just smoking, then place thick halves first. Cook the fish until undersides are nice golden brown. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip the fish. Cook another 2 to 3 minutes till second sides are nice golden brown like this. When you're cooking fish, flip only once. Multiple flipping will break the fillet. When fish are done, turn the stove off. Take them out and clean up the brown bits. Add a little bit of cooking oil and return your heat to high. When the pan is hot, place thin halves. Cook about a minute or 2 until it's golden brown. Flip and cook another minute or 2. Thin halves take less time than thicker ones. When they're done, turn the stove off and take them out. Oh, the fish is nice golden brown, they are flaky, and let's top the sauteed tilapia with this chimichurri. This olive oil-based cilantro chimichurri will add tons of bright, yummy, wonderful flavor on your tilapia, and that flavor will pop in your mouth. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.